A recent Scotiabank poll found that 59% of Canadians are planning on staying in their current home and renovating it over the next 2 years. So if you're one of those Canadians looking to renovate your home during the next 2 years, please reach out to Auxilium Mortgage. We would be happy to look into some solutions that can assist you with this. Now, we've all heard that interest rates are rising, but there are still some really good solutions, some creative solutions that can achieve your goal of this home renovation without blowing your budget. At Auxilium, we take a holistic approach to mortgage financing. We don't see the mortgage as one standalone item in your financial portfolio. We see it as a part of an overall picture. So we want to kind of see what else you've got and what other ways we could look at streamlining your overall cash flow so that this renovation makes the most sense. At Auxilium, our motto is simply to care, aid, assist, and support. We do that here day in and day out, and we look forward to hearing from you.